Hey cool people, welcome back to Style for Men for another unboxing. So if you're a regular at Style for Men, you might have seen that in my top 5 of 2019 there was a Japanese brand called Doors. Now take a look where this thing is from, Japan. So the folks at Doors have been very busy and have actually launched yet another product. So I believe this is what we're getting today. So with no further ado, let's get to it. Let's see what we have. There we go. Now by the looks of it, okay, this is it. So there are two products. The first product is the one I saw on their website, this orange can. Here you go. This thing is called a Superior Wax Monster Hold. That was the selling pitch. And look at this jar. It's very original, very nicely made. Okay, so there's a safety tape here. We'll just actually cut that. There we go. Now let's open up the jar and see what we have inside. Ooh, it's a nice cream. Oh, it is that distinctive, unique Doors aroma. Uniquely Asian, fruity. I want to say lychee, but maybe that's not it. Definitely a tropical fruit. It's lovely. And here is the next product. Now this one is their Matte Dry Superior Wax. Again with the Panther. Very, very nice. Okay, so there's a tape. Let's just cut through that so you have an idea of what we have inside. Here we go. Another beautifully creamy product. Something tells me that this is going to give fantastic volume. Oh, again with that wonderful aroma. So, two new products that I'll be trying out in the near future. The Monster Hold and the Matte Dry from our friends in Japan at Doors. Stay slick.